I really feel that as a value chain of one of probably the most important food sources, because it's really staple foods that this value chain supplies the consumers, that we ensure that we give them um, their money's worth. In other words, must be very cost effective and safe. So my main reason for being here is to ensure that, or to try and get the value chain, that it really works for the consumer specifically with regards to food safety, and that includes traceability, which was my big emphasis today, was on the passport system and to have the traceability from farm to fork. So I think that was my main reason for giving the talk, and also obviously the other aspects of food safety, which is your residues, your mycotoxins, and things like that. So, yeah, but that all comes into play with regards to the traceability of your product at the end of the day to the consumer.